Alright everybody, welcome to the video. This is going to be a tutorial of how to completely connect your Canon camera USB to a MacBook and get a nice, crystal clear video. Watch this, ready? Alright, so here's a little test. And this is what it's going to look like after we're all done, guys. Are you ready for this? I don't know. Alright, let's jump right into this. All you're going to need to start is you just need to go to Safari, okay? You're going to type in Camera Live. Oh, my goodness. I can't even type in that. Camera Live. Okay? You're going to click on this first one right here called Camera Live from GitHub. Okay, this is the guy's post. You're going to go ahead and just scroll down. Alright, go to the README, the introduction right here. Come to the introduction, go to the releases page. Okay. Click on that. Okay. Next. You're going to download the most recent version of Camera Live that this guy has out right now. Bang Noise has out. Alright. Right now it's 13 alpha. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the assets right here. Nothing else. That kind of gets confusing. You don't know where to go. Okay. Click on assets, nothing else. You're going to click on camera.live.zip. Click that, let that download. Okay. You're going to go ahead and open that guy. You're going to let that do its thing. Okay, this is the entire program. It's called a Syphon client. And this is what really tripped me up when I was searching for this. As you can see right here, it uses it's through a Syphon Server. So what that means is when you go into OBS and you have this open, okay? I have my camera connected already. It's already on. The camera is in. It's ready. Okay, all you have to do is have your camera on and in video mode, at least from what I know. Could even have it in picture mode. I haven't tried that yet. Besides the point, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here. You're going to click this plus sign. You're going to click on Syphon client. Okay, we're going to go and add new. Name it camera. Alright, you're going to click this from the source drop down menu. You see how Camera Live Canon EOS ADD pops up? Go ahead and click on that guy. And now we have a live feed of the camera coming through OBS. And it's awesome because there's no glitching, there's no stuttering. It's just straight up the camera. And I hope this helps you guys with your OBS journey in whatever you're doing with OBS, streaming, school, whatever you're doing, all right? Don't hesitate to go ahead and subscribe and leave a notification because if you click the notification bell, you know when I post. And that's good, right? I mean, I think so. Anyways, you guys have a great day, and if there's anything important, I'm going to drop it in the description.